Yo, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Thank you for all my returning subscribers. Oh, my camera's about to die. Wow. Whatever, my camera's about to die, but welcome back to another video, guys. Thank you for all the support. I miss y'all. Anyways, today we got a 2007 Volkswagen Jetta, and today I'm going to be doing the lower oil pan on it. Should be a pretty simple job. I'm going to try to make it quick because my camera's about to die, unfortunately, and I don't have my charger with me, so let's get to it. The first thing that we obviously want to do is drain the oil, which is what I have already done. The drain plug is a 19, pull it out, let the oil drain out. Let's secure it back, at least a little bit so it'll stop dripping. Boom. And yeah, we got about freaking 20 screws all the way around. They're all 10 millimeters. So, I don't really have anywhere to hold this camera. Alright, so all the screws are out. Probably need a freaking screwdriver, of course. Okay, we'll get us a little screwdriver. Put it in the corner. Try it down, there we go. Oil pan is loose. There we go, that's simple. That's how simple this job is. Okay, so I got a little razor blade and I'm just gonna scratch the surface just a little bit. Okay, so here's our new gasket. I have put silicone on it. I put the gasket on it. I was gonna use a gasket, but it gave me one, so I was like, whatever. Siliconed it all the way up. Make the silicone really thick, all the way around. Oh crap! I just got on my freaking camera, and I can already see the reason why this pan was leaking because of this little bitty gasket that they had on there. That's not enough. Don't do that, guys. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna sit here. I'm gonna let that sit for about 5 or 10 minutes, let it get tacky so that when I put it up on the pan, on the block, it doesn't run. And once we get it all tacky and it's ready to go, I'll hit you guys back then. Okay guys, so everything is done now. My silicone is tacky. I'm gonna wipe this down one more time to get the rest of this little bit of oil off. You wanna make sure that this surface is as clean as possible when you get ready to stick the oil pan up. Because if it's not clean, then the silicone won't ever stick, and then you will still have the same leak that you had before you changed it. So let's clean this down, make everything look nice, and I'm gonna just simply But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. That's how it's done. And now what you want to do now is you want to wait for about another 15 minutes to let the silicone from the gasket stick to the block. Once about 15 minutes come around, it should be hard. See, right now it's still sticky, tacky. So you're gonna wait for about another 15 minutes, let everything get hard, let everything seal up, and then you want to pour your oil in and start that bad boy up. But oh, can't see myself. Turn this around. But that's pretty much it, guys. I'll thank you all for watching, and that is how you do a lower oil pan and gasket on a 08. I got heartburn. I've been having heartburn for about 3 days now. I wonder what that could be. Comment down below and let me know what you think this heartburn is from. But anyways, that's how you do a lower oil pan and gasket on an 08 Volkswagen Jetta 2.5. Don't forget it's 2.5, not the 2.0. But again, thank you all for watching. Thank you all for the support and what we doing. Somebody comment down below and tell me what I'm about to say right now. I ain't gonna say it, but what I always say at the end of every single video. Where we going? Comment down below. The first person who comment the right thing, I'm gonna pin it. But anyways, thank you all for watching. Y'all have a nice day. See y'all on the next one.